What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. What we're going to do today, we're going to cover Monday's recap and Tuesday's game plan. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing we want to check out, see if we got anything that can move the markets tomorrow. You got a few things at 8:30, the retail sales, import price index, and then you got business inventories at 10 o'clock, home builder confidence, 10 o'clock. So a couple things to be on the lookout for. First ticker, we're going to go ahead and jump right into the SPY. Man, the SPY was fun today. And if you caught some of these plays today, you had fun too. So we see SPY opened up and right out of the gate, boom, we jumped right around 561, boom, 562. They came back a little bit, and then you see that yellow line? We start holding on to that 9 EMA. They got a little dip right here to about 561.40. Ran it back up to that yellow line, the 9 EMA. And I always tell you, if we hold that 9 EMA, it's going to be bullish all the way up. So they held the 9 and boom, got that green candle, and we just slowly crept up the whole day. And they ran that thing from, 261 all the way up here to 265, almost 264.80. And then they started coming back down. You got that next red candle, boom, we dropped that back down to another level, 563.65. They chopped, and then they couldn't hold, and it came all the way back down. I think I had another level sitting at 562.60. You guys in the chat, y'all probably heard that from me all day. 562.60 was the line in the sand both ways. You know, it was a line in the sand if bulls wanted to pop this thing and take this thing up, and it was a line in the sand if the bears wanted to drop this thing. So as long as we was above 562.60, they kept going higher. These candles over here, but then soon as right around this area right here is when Fed Powell was supposed to talk. Guess the market wasn't feeling it, and they slowly creeped back down to that level. And what happened? Bulls couldn't hold that line right there. They start dropping, and you see right here, boom, that's over $1 drop right there. Then they came back up, went back to test it again, and boom, they ran it back down to the 200. Guys that's in the chat, in the Discord, you know I called that play right there at 562.60 don't hold, we're dropping. And that's exactly what we did. We start chopping right here. You don't want to mess with that area right there. But, you know, what did I say at the 200? Anytime we get down to the 200 after a downtrend, bears always first. I don't know what it is about that 200, but they get weak there. So that's usually my take profit area. And I don't care. Yeah, it may overshoot it a little bit. I'm good because I know bull's going to run that thing back up. And that's exactly what they did at that 200. Boom. Ran that thing up. Boom. They ran that thing back from 560.90 all the way back up to 562.50. So that's a good scalp. They came back and they tried to test where again? You guessed it, 562.60. Bears was not having it. Boom. Got smacked again. Boom. Here's that 200 again. And what did I say? If you're going to take that play, the rejection off VWAP, that's my blue line right here. And I had the rejection at VWAP. And guess where VWAP was hanging at? 562.60. So I knew it was coming back down, and it did. Quick scalp back down to the 200. Yeah, it overshot it, and sometimes it do. It overshoots that 200, and it did. It overshot it. It got down to 559.63, and what happened? Boom, they ran that thing right back up. Again, for tomorrow, what I'll be looking at depends on where we open up. See what this data drop at 8:30 does to us. But in a condition that we stay where we at right now, I'll be looking for 562.60. That's what I'm going to be looking at, 562.60. If bulls can hold that and break through that and hold that area, they're going to keep running higher. They're going to go back to test this level right around 563.40-ish, and then after that they go into 563.70. They can start running from that point. What I want to see ultimately, I want to see if the bulls can take out 564.85. If they can take that out, you know, they're going to start headed to 565, 567, 569, and the higher stuff. Don't gamble though. React to what you see. Real-time price action. For the downside, what I'm going to be looking for, I'm going to be looking for 559.60. If bears can start smacking through that level right there, man, they got a little bit more dropping to do. I got a level sitting down here at 557.60. They lose that area right there. I have another level sitting at 555.50. So let's see what tomorrow brings. Let's see how they react from the data. But if we hang around in these same areas, the two areas to look out for, 559.60 for the downside, 562.60 to break for the upside. Let's go ahead and jump into Tesla. You see what Tesla did, man, right out of the gate. Tesla popped. Boom. We sitting at 256, 256.10. Boom. Man, they jumped up $5 off that pop right there. Tesla is a beast. We got another fake out candle, came right back up. Boom. Ran it even higher. 262.65. Came back down a little bit, ran it back up. Boom. 265. We got to about 265.55 and Bear said, that's it. We coming back down. And man, they smacked that thing all the way back down. I tell you guys all the time, Tesla isn't a ticker to play with unless you long-term and you got shares. If you are playing options, people, you got to preserve the profits in Tesla. Tesla will smoke you so fast. If you had a $5, $10 run up, man, take some of those profits out. It's okay to leave a couple runners in, leave 2-3 runners in, and then still have a spot where you want to take those runners out. I often let my runners, if I'm up here and I'm cashing out, if my level was to take out right here at 265.10, I'm going to leave some runners in and see what happens in the unknown areas right here. And if it does start pulling back, my take profit is going to be at the 9 EMA. That's where it usually start reversing at. And once it hits that 9 EMA, peace out. I'm done. Even the runner's going to make some money because I got these runners way down here. So guys, you got to be able to understand. Don't be greedy in this. You can always get another play. And that's exactly what Tesla did. Tesla took it all the way up top, 265, and look where we at. 257, back down. They went back up a little bit, chopped, and they never could shake the 9 EMA or VWAP. And you see what happened after that. We just sunk for the rest of the day. Look at what area we are up under. You remember last week, we back in that 253 area, 253.30 to 253.90. Bulls have got to break that area to get this thing back up. If bulls hold, bears hold up under there, it's going to be a rough day for Tesla. So what I'm looking at with Tesla to the upside, I'm looking at 253.90. If they can break 253.90, Tesla can start that run back up. But what I'm going to be looking at on the downside, and it's all, depending on where we open up at tomorrow. But as it stands right now, 251.70 taken out, man, Bear's going to try to bring this thing under 250. I got a level sitting at 247.65. They take that one out. I have another level sitting at 244.30. We'll handle in real time at that point tomorrow if it goes down like that. But guys, again, know what tickers to play with. Tesla is not one of them. You get in, you see profit, you take profit. You have got to live that phrase in Tesla. Any of these other tickers, they'll play around and give you a chance to get your money back. Not Tesla. Tesla takes. They'll take your money real fast. Trust me. She's done got me a few times. I don't let her get me like that no more. You have got to do the same. Guys, if you watched the video that I dropped yesterday on Monday's game plan, you made money. If you followed the Tesla play, you made money. If you followed the SPY play, you made money. If you followed the NVIDIA play, the AMD play, the ExxonMobil play, you made money. So, hey guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this thing up, but if you like this kind of content, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to our channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get notified. If you like level to level, sniper type, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, AMD, Tesla, NVIDIA, go ahead and join our Discord. Link is listed below. So, Guys, we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom!